turn.
Hey guys, just getting on here talking about this boat that was gifted to me. I had some work to do to it. We had to basically add everything to it. The only thing that really was, I think, abnormal was the servo for steering. So we added a ESC, a receiver controller kit that you can buy. The brushless motor was pretty small, so I bought a big brushless motor to put in it. And then we brought it out. This is running on 2S. It's only a 35 amp ESC, and I didn't want to push it. So like halfway through, you'll see that we actually got water in the receiver and it quit working. So then we went back to the house and we swapped everything out for another ESC receiver combo that will accept 3S. And I think this boat went faster than what it ever has. It's like a 90s model Bandit. It's made in Canada. Pretty old. So sit back and watch. It is about the funnest I had with an RC. It was almost funner than the cars.
I'll turn the boiler off now.
I mean, it's pretty light too, so any little wave from you turning is knocking you around too. Did you silicone around that antenna hole or anything?
The antenna hole is tight, but the steering hole is not. The steering hole needs
I know the motor will be fine.
oh yeah, you don't.
Oh, you have the same blue batteries in there that I do.
Yeah.
You got a stick.
Yep.
Your receiver was fitted in. So you're just gonna put that out there.
Water's cold stuff.
I mean, they're 1.4 by 2 inches. Yeah, that motor's not even struggling.
No.
I think you could put 3S on it because it's not going to overheat. It's not working hard.
No, it doesn't have any torque.
It would just give you more RPM.
Right.
Let me turn mine off.
And this is where we soaked the receiver, and we thought that our fun was over for the day. Until I realized that we had other options and to make the boat go faster.
Alright.
I think it'll go quite a bit faster this way. That's, 50%. You're already faster.
Oh yeah.
I don't think you're going to cook that ESC playing in water. That's what I meant by you're going to have to play with your throttle or your steering trim. Yeah, don't try and reverse out of there.
Yeah.
I mean, you're not going to hurt anything that's in there, at least this time. I don't even see the Yeah. What do you want now? 50?
That's still 50.
Yeah. That's definitely better already. That's the route to go. Use one of your other ESCs to just do this.
Ready?
Or keep that.
75.
That's better. You need some front end weight. You're bouncing so much.
Yeah. All right.
100?
100.
Yeah, that's a lot better. 2S is not the way to go. I would put a little bit of steel weight in the front.
Get your phone out and do. I never thought I'd have this much fun with a boat. And it turns. Yeah.
Take off.
She moves. I don't know. As fast as our cars?
Okay, guys, how fast do you think it goes? We're about to get a GPS, probably for the next time we take it out, just to see how fast.
See if you can get rid of some of your bouncing and then. Because your battery and your motor are too much in the rear.
Yeah.
That front end a little bit. I wasn't even thinking about the GoPro trying to point it.
Yeah.
That's a full 3S. So
Yeah.
it doesn't have a low battery warning, so I mean.
I don't even know that we're hitting full throttle. I have the camera set up to do slow motion.
Jumps that way.
Oh,
I thought you were.
I just about.
I thought rubber was going to get stuck.
I don't know rudder's going to get stuck at that speed. Remember, this boat was never designed to go this fast.
No, we're just going to make it go. Still, the ones that you can buy for $70, they go 30 miles an hour.
Yeah.
On 2S.
This is faster than 30.
You think?
Yeah, I think so.
It would go faster than 30, especially if you can get it to. Oh, you just submerged it right there.
I'm dead.
Your prop is done.
Yep.
Or not your prop, your rudder.
The battery started to die. It does give you a warning. Hey, that water's 50 degrees. See it speeds down?
Yep,
The
it
battery's
is.
dead. It does give you a warning. Like my little truck, it'll die, and then it'll give you limp mode to get back.
Yeah. I just didn't think those ESCs would. I know they slow down,
Yeah.
but hey, you got water in there with that because it
It's
sunk.
Yeah. Dude, that is so awesome.
Yeah.